When God places someone so obvious in your life, you would be stupid to walk away from a man like you. So Leon, my vow to you today is that I will never walk away from you.
Before I met you, I didn't think marriage was for me. But the day I met you, all of that changed.
And she, Tolu, right from when she was young, she come into my bed and cuddle with me. And she still, she still does it. And we teased her a lot, but it's clear that her features are so unique and make her so beautiful. Leon is blessed to pull a baddie like you.
I want to thank you for being you. Caring, kind, and loving. I want to thank you for being my foundation when all the walls around me seemed like they were about to crumble.
I told y'all he was funny.
I want to tell you how much I love you, but no one has created a word strong enough to match my feelings. You've shown me a love that I only thought could exist on movies and TV shows. Before I met you, I didn't think marriage was for me. But the day I met you, all of that changed. They say if you want something bad enough, you have to speak it into existence. That's why the day after I met you, I texted you and said that you would be my wife. I knew it then, and I'm confirming it now. Nothing in life is perfect, but I knew almost immediately that you were perfect for me. We may slip because the road to forever is unpredictable, but as long as we have each other, we will never fall. Amen. I love you.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember back when we started dating, I was still working at my law firm and was waiting to hear back about whether I got my law teaching job at UB. What I never told you at the time is that I actually had another opportunity in DC. So I was presented with the position to move. And I didn't move because I knew almost immediately after meeting you that I wanted you to be a part of my day-to-day. And honestly, it was an easy decision because I couldn't imagine being apart from you. But for the past 4 years, I've seen that, Leon, you are a light in every room you walk into. You are my calm in the middle of a storm. You have caused me to learn about and grow in parts of myself that I didn't even know existed. You make me feel like I have wings. You're not just a good man, you're a man of God. You are both blessed and you are a blessing. And when God places someone so obvious in your life, you would be stupid to walk away from a man like you.
A man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they become one flesh.
It is my honor and privilege to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Leon Nelson.
We made it, baby.
To flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
It's awesome, and you get to wake up to a beautiful face. You know what I mean, make breakfast if you know how to cook.
As Tolu's best friend for 14 years, I have witnessed her greatness time and time again. But nothing compares to the greatness of the partnership, family, and legacy that Tolu and Leon are creating together. I am so happy for you both, and I take pride in calling you both my friends. Congratulations.
My body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Danny bro, you don't want to find my trouble.